Hello.
Hello. Good evening, Koa. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wow, teacher is very happy too. Okay, so before we start our lesson, what did you do today? It's Monday.
I ride a bike.
Wow, you ride a bike. And then,
Uh,
what else did you do today?
I fly kite.
Fly kite. Wow, you have lots of things to do today. Okay, baby, before we start our lesson, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
So, teacher Leah, I will be your teacher for today. I am always be your teacher for today. So, I will play one song. Hold on. I am looking at it. Ah, this one. This is my favorite song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you see it, baby? Can you see it, Koa?
Go on.
Okay.
One little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your head, head. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your nose, nose. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your ear, ear. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your mouth. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your eye.
Okay. Let's go. Are you ready? Let me share my screen. Hold on, baby. Our last lesson was about our last lesson is unit 7. So right now our lesson is, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you see it? Unit 8.
Unit 8.
Okay. Okay. The hottest, wow, can you read the title of our lesson? The
The
hottest,
house and coldest place.
the hottest and coldest places.
The hottest and coldest places.
Coldest places. Okay, can you tell me what is the weather today in Vietnam?
The weather is I see.
The weather is,
The weather.
what is the weather in Vietnam?
You do. Let me see.
Is it hot, sunny?
What's the weather? evening. It's evening.
Yeah. Is it cold or is it cold?
It's cold. It's
Okay.
cold.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Look at the picture, baby.
Yes.
Okay. Find sentence pairs about different kinds of weather. Look at the picture, baby. I am white.
I am white. I make the leaves fall from trees. I can show things from tree to it. You only see me when the sun behind you. I come from dry clouds. I come out when you go to bed. Look carefully to see my 7 colors. When you see me, you can see stars too. You went me when you go sailing. I only fly on really cold days. I am hot. I big and brown. No, you can see me at night.
Okay, I'm white. Follow teacher.
I am white.
I make the leaves fall from trees.
I make the leaves fall from trees.
I can change things from dry to wet.
I can change things from dry to wet.
Very good. You only see me when the sun's behind you.
You only see me when the sun behind you. That
I
cloud
come from gray clouds.
I came from gray clouds.
I come out when you go to bed.
I can come what when you go to bed.
Look carefully to see my 7 colors.
Cloud. Look carefully to see my 7
Colors.
colors.
Next.
When you see me, you can see star too.
Okay, when you see me, you can see stars too.
When you see me, you can see star too.
You want me when you go sailing.
You want me when you sailing.
I only fall on really, really cold days.
I want the fall on really cold day.
I'm hot, big, and round.
I'm hot, big and brown.
No, you can't see me at night.
No, you can see me or not.
So, baby, we're going to find sentence pairs, the pairing of each sentence. Okay, the different kinds of weather are, okay, look, I am white. I only fall on really, really cold days. Can you read it?
I white. I am white. I only fall on really cold day.
Next. We call it snow. Baby, this one, wind. I make the leaves fall from trees.
I make the leaves fall from trees. You watch me when you go sailing.
Okay, next is I can change things from dry to wet.
Yes,
I
I
come from
can change
clouds.
things from dry to wet. I come from dry clouds.
Next is you only
Rainbow.
see me when the sun's behind you.
You only see me when the sun behind you. Look carefully to see my seven colors. I can draw rainbow.
Yes, we call it rainbow. Very good. Okay, next is it's a moon. I
Moon.
come out when you go to bed.
I come out when you go to bed. When you see me, you can start too.
Okay. Okay, next.
Sun, I am hot, big and round. You can, no, you can see me at night.
Okay. Next, very
Rainbow.
good. Wow, very nice drawing. Is it right to fly a kite at night?
Yes,
Okay. What can we do outside in a windy weather, baby?
I see. I see weather. I see cloudy.
Do you fly kite sometimes?
Yes,
Wow. Draw a kite in your notebooks now. Ah, can you draw, baby, here? Can you draw a
okay,
kite?
okay. Draw a cat in the notebook. I can draw. Let me see.
Wow, very nice. Draw, okay,
Cat.
very nice. Oh, the same.
Is that my cat?
Okay, baby, let's hold on, baby. Okay, I like flying kite. I fly
I
my
like
kite in the
flying kite.
day.
I fly my kite in day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right.
Okay, I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right. Okay. Okay, let's try to practice pronunciation bites. Are you ready?
Yes.
Right, kite, night, right. Baby, can you read them
Right,
all?
right, cat, night. Right.
Okay. How do you spell them? Okay, again. Right, kite, night.
Right, cat, night. Right.
Okay. Their
The
endings are
endings
all
are
pronouns.
a pronoun at this word. Look different weekday. I shop the shop at night.
Okay. Okay, an apple is colder than chips, but an ice cream is colder than apple.
An apple is called the chips.
Colder than chips.
Colder. An apple is colder than chips. But
Chips.
chips. But an
But an
ice cream is colder than an apple.
Yes. Ice cream is the coldest.
Ice cream the coldest.
Ice cream is the coldest.
Ice cream is coldest.
Okay. Subject plus to be, the adjective est. Okay. Sunny, sunnier, the sunniest.
Sunny, sunnier, sunnier.
Sunniest.
Sunniest.
Okay. We replace Y with I before we add est to adjectives that end in Y.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay. Complete the sentences with words from the box. Okay, look at the picture. The coldest, number one is the coldest place in the world is Antarctica.
Yes.
The coldest
place in the world is Antarctica.
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 Okay. Number two, can you answer it? Baby, can you answer it?
The sunny. The sunny.
Number two, baby.
The sunny town is in India. It rains a lot.
Okay, the answer is?
Sunny.
Wettest, baby, wettest.
Winter. Winters.
Okay, number three.
Africa is the rainy.
Africa is the
Rainy.
no, hottest, baby, hottest.
Hottest.
The blank.
The plants is
the windiest place in Antarctica too.
The windiest place in Antarctica too.
The wind there is really strong. Number five. In Arizona, it's always dry and sunny. It's the driest place in the USA. Baby, let's try it one by one. The coldest place in the world is Antarctica.
Is a white dress and sunny is dress place
Baby, number one only. Baby, number one. The coldest place in the world is Antarctica. Koa? Hello?
about
Coldest place in the world is Antarctica.
this is both in the Antarctica.
Baby, the coldest, number one. Can you read it, baby? The coldest place.
The
The coldest.
coldest place in the world is Antarctica.
Yes.
So it's in there. It's
The
rain.
wettest town is in India. It rains there a lot.
Africa is the hottest part of the world. The windiest place is Antarctica too. The wind is really soft.
The windiest place is Antarctica too. The wind there is really strong.
The white, dry, and sunny is the trees past the USA.
Okay. In Arizona, it's always dry and sunny. It's the driest place in the USA. Okay. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Can you read it?
Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult.
We don't add EST to long words. We say more or the most. Okay. Subject plus to be, the most plus adjective plus noun plus pronoun. For example, she's the most beautiful girl in the class. Can you read it?
For example, she's the most beautiful girl in the class. It's
Okay.
the most
It's the
beautiful
most beautiful picture in the book. Okay, very good. It's the most beautiful picture in the world. Okay. Choose words to complete the weather sentences. Okay, yesterday I was sad, but today I am, baby. Can you feel it? Today, what do you feel? How do you feel? What is your feeling today? Yesterday I was sad, but today I am
happy.
sadder, okay? Look at the choices in the weather sentences and decide how to complete them in your notebooks. Okay, baby, you're going to make 4 sentences. For example, it is sunny today. Okay, how about you? 4 sentences, baby.
It is sunny today.
That's my sentence. Your sentence, baby. 4 sentence.
Is snowing today. Is snowing yesterday.
No, baby. When you use the word yesterday, you're going to have past tense. It snowed yesterday. Okay?
Yesterday.
Snowed yesterday.
No,
When you say today, it is snowing today. Can you say it? It is snowing today.
snowing today.
It is raining today.
It is raining today.
It rained yesterday.
It's rain today.
It is windy today.
It is windy today.
It was cloudy yesterday.
It is cloudy today.
It is sunny today.
It is cloudy today.
It was hot yesterday.
It is hot today.
It was cold yesterday.
It's cold today.
So remember, baby, when it is past tense, you're going to use was and past tense of the verb, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it again. Okay, look, choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Animals in cold parts of the world. Look at number 1. We don't look at the example, Koa. We don't see many animals in the coldest part of the world, but polar bears, which are white, lived in really cold places. So we answered live. Next, this one. Brown bears, you're going to choose here, baby. Brown bears sleep when the weather is very cold. Can you read it, baby?
When it's very cold. When the weather is very cold. Yes.
Number 2. Number 2. Blank, don't wake up or eat any food.
Brown bears.
They
don't wake up or eat any food.
Okay.
When the weather starts getting
cold.
Some bears fly
to
hotter
countries,
but penguins are very happy in the snow.
Snowshoes.
Rabbits are really clever.
When the weather is very cold.
When the weather is very cold and there's snow on the ground, animals birds from brown to white.
Okay. Okay. Very good, baby. The weather is very cold and there. Okay, let's try to find out the answer and then we're going to read it again. Okay. Can you read it again? Brown bears sleep when the weather is very cold. Baby, go.
When the weather is very cold, they don't make up or eat any food.
Yes. When the weather starts getting cold.
When the weather starts getting cold, some birds fly to hotter
countries. But penguins
are very happy in the snow.
Okay. Snowshoe rabbits are really clever.
Snowshoe rabbits are really clever. When the weather is very cold and the snow on the ground is animal or
changes from brown
to white.
Yay! Good job, baby. Okay. Which are the tallest? Baby, look at the picture. Which are the tallest, strongest, and cleverest animals? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's try to read them first. Tall, strong, clever,
hungry, nice, frightened, beautiful.
Okay, listen to teacher, baby. I will read all the words correctly, okay? Tall, strong, clever, quiet, funny, hungry. Baby, teacher first, okay? Listen first, okay? Tall, strong, clever, quiet, funny, hungry, nice, frightening, beautiful. Okay?
Tall, clever, white,
Quiet. Baby, quiet.
Quiet.
Funny.
Funny. Hungry. Nice. Frightened. Beautiful.
Frightening.
Frightening.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay. Tall, strong, clever. Tall, strong, clever, and quiet. Put the in front of the word. Put est on the end of the word. Can you read it, baby? Tall,
Tall. Strong. Clever. White.
quiet.
Put the in front of the word. Put is on the end of the word.
Funny.
They I and put I they add is to the word.
Nice. Put the in front of the word. Only put st at the end of the word because e is already there.
Nice. Put the in front of the word. Only put at the end of the word because it's already there.
The tallest, the strongest, the cleverest, the quietest, the funniest, the hungriest, the nicest, the most frightening, the most beautiful.
The tallest, the strongest, the cleverest, the whitest, the funny,
Yes,
the hungry,
the funniest.
the hungriest, the hungry,
Yes,
the nice,
the
the
nicest.
most bright,
Frightening.
nice,
The most frightening. The most beautiful.
the most beautiful.
Okay, let me cut this one. I put it in Zalo so that you can practice it. Okay, baby?
Yes,
Okay, let's go. Which are the tallest animal in the picture, baby?
why?
The
The
giraffe. I
elephant,
think giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest. The strongest, baby. Who is the strongest?
the snake,
Ah! Elephant, I think. The cleverest, the most, or the smartest?
hippo,
Or maybe the bear? I
the
don't know.
bear,
The quietest. The quietest. The snake?
yes,
The
the
funniest. Who is the funniest? The bird or the
the,
mom or the rabbit?
the bird,
The hungriest.
the
Elephant.
snake,
The nicest.
the bear,
The bear, no? The most frightening.
the rabbit,
And the most beautiful.
the bird,
Oh. So giraffe is the tallest. Can you say it?
giraffe is the strongest,
Okay. Which things are hot? Can you think of the hot, baby?
which things are hot? The sun,
The sun.
the sun,
Okay, look at the example. Tea, my face, dad's coffee, vegetable soup,
coffee,
the sun,
vegetable,
our shower, the water in my bath.
the water in my bed.
Right? The three funny sentences.
What three funny sentences?
The water in my bath is hot, but dad's coffee is hotter than the water in my bath. And the
The
sun
water
is
in my
hottest.
bath is hot, but the coffee hotter than water question is the hottest?
Hottest, baby, hottest.
Hottest.
Quiet, black, white, small, quick.
White, black, white, small, weak.
Okay. Choose one of the adjectives. Think of 3 things which it can describe and 3 white funny sentences in your notebooks.
Choose one of the adjectives.
Adjectives.
Adjectives. Think of 3 things which it can trick be and what the funny sentences in your notebook.
In your notebooks. Okay. What do brown bears do in very cold weather? Baby, what do you think?
Eating.
Where do some birds fly to when the weather gets colder?
The bird.
Do penguins enjoy living in cold countries? Of course, they live there. Why do snowshoe rabbits change from brown to white when there's snow on the ground? Huh? That is science. Yay!
Goodbye.
Not yet, baby.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, baby, hold on. We're not yet done. You thought we're done already? No, not yet. I have my favorite song here.
It's so beautiful.
Okay, hold on.
Wait.
Are you ready to rumble?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see it?
It's a beautiful day in spring, hey hey. The sun is shining my way. The birds are singing, the bells are ringing. Today is Easter Sunday. How do you celebrate? Easter time is here. What do you like about Easter time is here? I love to spend it with my family and friends. I don't want it to end, 'cause I love my family time on Easter Day.
I like to have lots of sweet things to eat. Chocolate eggs are a treat. The Easter bunny might come visit too. My family gets so dressed up, so fine. Goes to church at sunrise. Don't forget the yummy Easter food. I like that game where you roll an egg super fast. Hurry or you'll be last. One daily color has to hide. I love to make super sparkly ones. Polka dot stripey ones. I wonder what that basket has inside.
It's time to celebrate.
Easter time is here.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Easter time is here.
I love to spend it with my family and friends. I don't want it to end, 'cause I love my family time on Easter Day.
Okay, baby. Yay! What did you learn today in our lesson, baby? What did you learn? Different sizes. Tallest.
Just colors, white, funny, beautiful, hungry.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Did you enjoy our lesson today? So, baby, in our next lesson, we will be having a test. Okay?
Yes,
Okay. No, oh, hold on, baby. We're not yet done. Okay. So, we're
yes,
going to be having a test. And I hope you will. Hold on, baby.
Wednesday.
Hold on, baby. So, baby, what else did you learn today? The hu- the fr- the most frightening.
Dream.
Okay. Yes. So we're going to have. mm, mm. So, baby, what is your dinner tonight? What did you eat? What was your dinner? Did you eat your dinner?
Yes, it's fish, tomato,
Tomato. What else?
fish.
Wow, yummy. Do you like fish, baby?
Yes, I really like fish.
Wow, very good, baby. Baby, I will put your assignment in Zalo, baby, and try to practice these words, okay?
Yes,
What is your 120?
em muốn phân vui cùng với các chương
Okay, great job today.
Yes, goodbye.
Not yet, baby. I'm very
I
happy
go.
because of your uh, act. Because okay, baby. See you again.
Bye bye.